Hey everyone, today we got some exciting news about Xiaomi Mix Flip. Let's get dive in. Xiaomi is ready to give Samsung some tough competition in the flip phone market. They have already done a great job with their foldable phones and now they are taking on the Galaxy Flip series. We just got our first look at the Xiaomi Mix Flip thanks to NCC certification website. Xiaomi confirmed it will launch in China later this month. Here are some cool features of Xiaomi Mix Flip. The cover display is bigger and wider than Galaxy Z Flip 6, around 4 inches. It supports 67V fast charging and has a 4700 mAh battery, which is huge for a flip phone. It will have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with advanced AI capabilities. The phone will come with various configurations, including 12GB RAM with 256GB storage up to a massive 16GB RAM with 1TB storage. The Xiaomi Mix Flip will have an amazing camera setup, a 50MP main camera with OIS support, a 60MP telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. The Xiaomi Mix Flip is set to launch in early July, so we don't have to wait long. What do you think about the Xiaomi Mix Flip? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, I'll see you in the next one video. Thank you so much for watching.